Hey guys! Okay, so you've been asking about that sheet that I uploaded that has King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Poor King Henry. I know my 5th graders remember about this. This is just a mnemonic that will help you when you are converting between units, all right? So the K is for kilo. And the H is for hecto, and the D is for deca. And by means unit. So the units that you would be dealing with are meter, and that's for length, or gram, which would be for weight, or liter, which would be for volume. And then these are getting smaller. This is deci and centi and milli. Okay, so the way this works is when you are going in this direction, things are getting larger. And when you're going in this direction, things are getting smaller. And this works really great for you when you are trying to do a problem, because what if I said, convert 167, let's say, kilometers to how many centimeters? So all you have to do is figure out where you're starting. We are starting right here in kilometers. So you are going to start right here with the king. And then you are going to count how many spaces you have to go to get to the C, the chocolate. So we will be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So I'm going to write down the 167. And remember, every number has a decimal point to the right of it that's invisible. It doesn't change the number at all, but that's where the decimal point is. So that's where you're going to start. Remember, we have to go 5 places. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in each one of my little baskets, I put a 0. All right, so let me take these out so that we can put our commas in. So the answer is that it is 16,700,000 centimeters. And the reason why that number is so huge is because centimeters are tiny. So if you're breaking up 167 kilometers, which are large, you're going to have many little centimeters. Okay, and it works the same way when you're going in the opposite direction. Let's say you have 150 decimeters that you want to convert to decameters. Okay, so in this instance, I'm starting at decimeters, and I'm going to decameters, so I'm going 1, 2. That's it, okay? So, write down my 150, and remember my decimal point is right there, and I am going to move it 1, 2. Okay, so that equals 1.50. 1.50. All right. I want you to open up the sheet that I uploaded so that you can have it to look at. If you have a printer at home, go ahead and print it out so it'll be a lot easier. And you also can write this at the top of your page when you're doing the calculations. It'll be easy. You can see it all in front of you and you can move along with it. Don't skip the by. That is one of your decimal marks, okay? So make sure you count that if you have to go over it from either direction. So I want you to, you've watched the video with the song and you've watched this, and now I want you to do the calculations, and that's what you will upload for me to grade. Great, thanks, bye.
You guys are lucky you got an awesome teacher.